Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool original Mickey Mouse telephone, and this is Rena's equipment from California, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now Mickey has some issues. The nose for Mickey has been broken off. We also have a little bit of the leg for Mickey that has been kind of jammed into place, and there is a slight crack, and that can be repaired. So we want to go through that issue. We also want to take a look at the hook switch. We want to go through the keypad, and we want to go through the network and the bell and bell circuit. We also want to repair one of the modular plugs on the handset cord, so we'll take care of that issue. We will be troubleshooting the entire telephone while it's in the shop. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool original Mickey Mouse telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with a repair of this really cool original style Mickey Mouse telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to run through a little bit about what went on. The nose for Mickey was repaired. We also repaired the keypad. The contacts for the keypad were out of adjustment, so we went ahead and took care of that issue. We also found a bad connection at the network, and we replaced a modular plug for the handset cord. We also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver on the final checkout. And I have an amplifier backed by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we can do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call. So we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. We'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. We can go ahead and hang up our handset. Now that we know that Mickey is ringing in on our ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, take the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Wednesday, April 1st. The current time, 4:10 p.m. And the temperature, 68 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We can call one other number. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool original style Mickey Mouse telephone has been repaired, we can return this unit back to Rena and she can enjoy this Mickey Mouse telephone. Now Mickey is highly collectible, very sought after, and people really like this type of telephone. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.